Wow, I look a mess. It's midlife crisis season, babies, and today we are dyeing my hair. The nose piercing already happened. I'm actually really happy about it. I've been wanting it for a while. And I'm gonna dye my hair again using Overtone. I've already talked about Overtone 1,000,001 times. You guys know that I love it. I have another video about it, which I will put up here for you guys. Sadly, this video still isn't sponsored, and I wish it was because that's my best performing video to date. But I love Overtone and I will use it again, and I will show you guys how I do it in this video. I'm wearing a really baggy t-shirt and we're just gonna do this. My hair is really greasy. I got it cut a few days ago and have not washed it since. I put dry shampoo in my hair a few days ago and I can like feel it. That's so gross. Oh my god, the back of my hair is so disgusting. For reference, it's 11:45. Honestly, I keep forgetting that my day has happened because I came home, I started filming this video obviously, then I went and like made dinner and cooked my lunches and potentially also my dinners for the rest of the week. So it just feels like more than one day has passed. Okay. I'm using the Overtone Espresso Brown. Again, I've talked about it on my channel before. I'm just using these black gloves that I bought on Amazon. I know that gloves are really bad for the environment, but I'm really not into staining my hands. Let's just get right on into it. I just take a bunch and just
slap it on, baby.
You don't have to be too precise with this, especially if your natural root color is brown. I find it's pretty forgiving and really natural, so these techniques are not professional. So if anybody here is a person or a professional hairstylist and is deeply offended by my technique, I'm sorry. See, like, it splatters a lot. If you are like me and you don't know what the frick you're doing, it does splatter a lot. So if this isn't just pure sexiness, I don't know what it is. Like, it looks like I have poo smeared on my face. It looks like I have poo smeared on my head, to be perfectly honest with you. Blending in the roots. I'm really worried this is gonna come out more like red than it has ever before. Oh, please be brown. No matter what color it comes out, it always looks really good, but okay, so now we have to let it sit. I usually give it 20 minutes to half an hour. It says 15 to 20 minutes. I think that just is up to personal preference and personal energy levels. Okay, yeah, so update. Magic Eraser takes it off your walls. Anyways, I'm gonna go and sit and wait. So my hair has been washed. Now we're going to blow dry it and see how it looks so far. I think it looks a little bit red. And there we go. Wow. This is the color. It's really dark and rich right now. I'm gonna quickly straighten it, I think, so that we can just take a better look at the finished product and then curl it in the morning and check back with you then. So this is the final hair color. It looks really good, actually. I'm actually really not mad about it. It looks a lot better than I expected it to, given how many times I've dyed it and everything. Yeah, it's really cute. I'm actually really impressed. And then tomorrow I'm gonna curl it probably, and I'll update you then. All right. Oh, hello. This is the first time I've spoken today. So this is the finished hair look. I think it's really pretty. There is a little bit of red to it, but overall, like, It's really cute. Like, I think it looks good. My nose piercing, the hair, I don't know, it's just a vibe that I'm obsessed with right now. I'm so happy with the way that like everything's been turning out when it comes to like how I've been doing my makeup, my hair, etc. Obviously the acne isn't doing well, but otherwise it's pretty good. Like, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this like hair dyeing video. I'm sorry it's not like more professional or whatever. I just didn't have the time to set that up right now. Hopefully one of my next videos is more high quality, I don't know, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave it a thumbs up. If you guys want me to talk more about Overtone or about my hair or about what I do to it, let me know in the comments below. And if you like some of my content, please subscribe. It would be so wonderful to have you around. And yeah, that's everything from me. Have a good day, guys.